how protected are you? How resilient is your environment? And so everyone is getting smarter. Now, with that, of course, comes a little bit of pain with increased premiums and everything along those lines. But it's where we are understanding better now today how to price the risk. And more importantly, how do we start pushing some of the best controls in place for policyholders so that you can mitigate the blast radius of an attack so that, the attack's not going away, but instead of this being an attack that's going to cost $500,000 to respond to, you can get back up and running and solve the case within $100,000. And so that's what we're really striving for, is identifying those efficiencies with resilience to make sure that we can try to minimize that blast radius of an attack.